exciting entries. Locations impacted include Muscatine, Aledo, Wapello, Burgess, Mediapolis, Freeland, Morning Sun, Millersburg, New Boston,
Back in the Twin Cities area,
Eliza,
this time Muscatine is impacting.
Toolsboro, Illinois City, and Vannon. Take
And
cover
let's
now.
Louisiana
Do not
County.
drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for northwestern and west central Illinois, and southeastern and east central Iowa.
Muscatine
The National Weather
and
Service
Wapello
in the
is
Quad
part of
Cities
the
has issued a severe
is
thunderstorm warning
in
for
Iowa.
southeastern Rock Island County, southern Whiteside County,
Wapello is the
northern
city in
County,
Iowa.
northwestern Bureau County, southeastern Scott County until 6:30 p.m. At 5:26 p.m.
And Aledo is another city, which is the seat of Mercer County.
Winds at 50 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles an hour wind gusts. Severe weather
It's
has been confirmed by train spotters.
Mediapolis.
The following
It's another
impacts are
city for
expected.
Iowa.
Expect considerable tree
It's also
damage.
part of the Burlington.
Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings.
It's in Des Moines County.
Davenport, Moline, Rock Island, Bettendorf, East Moline, Silvis, Geneseo, Eldridge, Kelowna, Milan,
Burgess
LeClaire,
is
Hull
in
Valley, Prophetstown, Hampton, Fort Byron, Erie,
and in
Warren,
Burgess, Illinois,
Atchison,
which is
Rapid City, and Princeton. This
unincorporated
includes the following highways: Interstate 74 in Iowa
unincorporated
between
community.
mile markers 1 and 5. Interstate 80 in Iowa between mile markers 296 and 306. Interstate 80 in Illinois between mile markers 1 and 35, and between